Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into another crypto video. Today we're going to look at the top DeFi projects to invest and purchase for 2022. Now, decentralized finance gives such excitement to the user where you can really benefit from massive upside potential as well as yield farming, liquidity pairs and much more. You're going to get some great different decentralized exchanges and other things that we can thrive from. I really think DeFi is a huge part of the crypto space, and really when you look at this crypto network map and you click on by category, the first thing that pops up is DeFi, and that just shows you the volume and the scale and the size of DeFi pretty much in the crypto market. So it's absolutely massive, and the first token we're going to talk about today is Lucky Block token, and this is one which I really like actually, and the rest of them, you know, we can look at some of the top DeFi performers as well, which can also be purchased on some of the ethereum exchanges and other places like that, so very easily accessible. So do stay tuned for the rest of the video if you want this value added to your life. The first project for me is going to be Lucky Block crypto lottery. This is where users can actually participate in the lottery with blockchain protocols, so that's really exciting, and you can just see that they're trying to make gambling more fair, more chances to win with lottery. So it's really nice to see this, and this is their particular website right here. 11,200 BNB received via the pre-sale, and the core focus, well, you can see right here. So why choose Lucky Block? The internet has created demand for online gambling, with companies offering easily accessible online wagering, so it's hardly surprising these websites are fast growing and highly profitable. Lucky Block envisions a worldwide lottery with players using blockchain protocols operating on the BSC chain. So really they believe that lottery should not be bound geographically or tied to local financial systems. It should be something where we all have the freedom and the fairness to participate in such activity. So this is one of our small caps, huge upside potential. As we can see here, guys, here is their white paper. Playing the lottery is speculative, offering a chance for players to win either prizes or a jackpot. Most games run for a particular length of time, and entrance requires a simply the purchase of a unique ticket, with multiple purchases increasing the odds. So that's also pretty cool to see right there. Very important to see this one, guys. Another one is, of course, part of their huge motivation, ensuring a secure, transparent and fair system. As you can see here, online lotteries operate at a far lower expense than offline lotteries, as they don't need physical equipment or, you know, operating costs to actually run. Still, they face unique issues which undermine consumers' trust, including security, speed and sometimes a lack of liquidity to pay out the players. So yeah, of course, they're looking to provide a solution to the gambling industry. As we can see, the price of Lucky Block at the moment is $0.003, and when you look at the year retrospectively, we can see that we've come down from 0.009, and it looks like a normal kind of healthy consolidation back into this kind of supply phase where we've almost found a floor price. So this could easily come up to a $1 billion market cap over the next few months and years, whilst we're sitting at a very low 129 million. So the upside potential is absolutely huge for this one, guys. The way I'd like to buy this is just literally copy the address in from CoinMarketCap, hop over to your beloved PancakeSwap decentralized exchange and go onto the swap section. All you need to do is connect your MetaMask wallet. When you click here on the cake, you know, you just paste in that address, you find Lucky Block, and there we go. So we can now swap my USD into Lucky Block. As easy as that. The coin coming in second place is Loopring, which provides layer 2 DeFi scaling solutions. As we can see here, this is the website for Loopring, and Loopring is a secure, open source, audited, non-custodial exchange and payment protocol with really high throughput and low operational costs as well. So Loopring protocol can settle up to 2025 trades per second while guaranteeing the same level of security as the underlying Ethereum blockchain. This is made possible by using a construction called ZK rollup. So as you can see, the same security and, you know, confidence the user can have and the developers from the Ethereum blockchain. However, we've got much more efficiency, lower gas fees, and even quicker actual transaction times. Loopring trading at $0.83 right now. And if we click on the all time, we can see, you know, Loopring was $2.66. So we've had quite a strong correction here, quite a strong capitulation, but that market cap is all the way down to 1.1 billion. And when you pull up that Fibonacci retracement on what Loopring is doing, it does come down below our 0.786 Fibonacci retracement zone, which usually does demonstrate a nice key undervaluation reaccumulation zone in a bull market. So if Loopring was able to push through a very nice, let's take a look. I mean, what did it do in the last bull market? Well, from March 2020, it did a 12,000%. Oh my God, almost choked. And if you look at what's going on here, if we were to replicate and assume this is the bottom, assume diminishing returns, let's just say we get 1,000%, you know, we still can speculate that we're going to get a $5+ price level, and the Fibonacci extension will also indicate that we can still see these nice $5 price levels on our 1.618 Fib extension. So Loopring, another great one to potentially consider, and yeah, really easily accessible. You can buy this on a Toro exchange, and I'd probably get it on that platform or something like that. Coming in at rank 3 over here, we have the AAVE liquidity protocol. We can earn interest, borrow assets, and build applications. So it's a real developer's paradise as well. As we can see here, we have $20 billion worth of liquidity locked in AAVE across 7 networks and over 13 different markets. So we can see, you know, AAVE is definitely one that did grow massively over the years. As we can see, you know, looking retrospectively, AAVE was $632 just in 2021. AAVE is also literally just integrating their V3 platforms, and now it's launched on the Phantom and Avalanche mainnets, and this is really helping with scalability, increasing the speed of the transactions. And as we can see right here on the news, so they've got the souped up V3 on Phantom and Avalanche, and the Ethereum release date, well, that's due to set later on in the year. So immediately this really does ring some bells, because I really think that once it is on the Ethereum as well, it's just going to increase the overall traction, the exposure, and the overall use of the AAVE network. So it looks really, really good, guys. As we can see, this is their staking opportunities. You can get 7.15% APR by actually staking here once you connect your wallet, and they have many other DeFi yield farming opportunities. In terms of the market cap, we're sitting at 2.1 billion. So it's still very possible that we can see those 5 to 10 billion figures this year, should the rest of the market decide to get a big impulse to the upside, with Bitcoin trying to get those big euphoric targets that many of us have our eyes on, such as between $80,000 and $100,000. AAVE token currently has 107,000 native holders, and these are the unique holders, and we can see, you know, every day we're still going up a couple hundred. We did get a small drop here, but either way it's looking very good, and we can see a lot of volume coming in over here on the Etherscan transactions. So AAVE for me, really, really strong. As you can see here, we did lose a key area of support, but in this falling wedge here, we've got a massive weekly green candle, and this could be the trigger and the start of an uptrend. Some of the big bull market targets for this project, especially over the next few years, you know, hyper bullish over the next decade, we'll be looking at around $1,000, maybe even $900 and $800. Really, really amazing project. Don't miss out on this one for the year. Do your own research, of course, but AAVE definitely deserves its place in the spotlight. Coming in at rank 4, we've got Uniswap Protocol, a really, really solid decentralized exchange. It's probably one of the best decentralized exchanges on the entire market. Uniswap is a cryptocurrency exchange which uses a decentralized network protocol. The protocol facilitates automated transactions between cryptocurrency tokens on the Ethereum bridge and blockchain through the use of smart contract, guys. So this is a really, really big one, and it's very, very big for NFTs as well. Everything is using Ethereum, and of course you get the network burns, which helps increase the deflationary supply of Ethereum too. We can see a massive trading volume, $887 billion plus, 91 million plus all-time trades on this particular network, and it's also a massive developer's paradise. Some of the biggest dApps are built on here, and you can see they're supporting JavaScript and many other different coding sources. This is the interface for Uniswap, so it's very, very simple. You're just simply going to connect your wallet. You can have your native tokens or whichever currencies you want to swap across the Uniswap ERC20 network. And yeah, really, really big. Uniswap, we're trading at $10 at the moment. And this is a real key undervaluation zone in my opinion as well. I mean, we came from $42, guys, and we're all the way back down here at $10. So it's not financial advice, of course, but I know where I'd rather be loading up on Uniswap right now. So it does look like a key area. Uniswap is in a big downtrend at the moment, but this is usually where we do start to see the breakouts for these particular projects. We're back under that 0.786 Fibonacci, and in my opinion, it looks like we might start getting a reversal. When you look at this MACD, you see that we're flashing orange again from that red zone, and here on the 4-hour time frame as well, you know, the RSI is coming up, and it looks like we're trying to break through this key resistance over here at around $9.60, and that looks like a double bottom reversal pattern right there, guys. So do remember to take the depth of your double bottom, break out, and that's our target. So $13 in the short term for Uniswap. Should we get this double bottom reversal pattern play out, absolutely smashing news for Uniswap. Coming in at rank 5 over here, we've got the derivatives liquidity protocol synthetics network, and also a decentralized exchange with some fantastic staking opportunity. As we can see, the TVL right now for Syncs is $575 million right there, and yeah, they've got some really low slippage fees, and it's really good cryptocurrency for sort of DeFi degens that want to get into their yield farming. As you can see, why synthetics? Well, captures the price movements of popular cryptocurrencies, fiat currency, stocks, commodities, and more with zero slippage. So synthetic assets, or synths, are assets voted into existence by the community and come in form of fiat currencies, crypto, stock, commodities, and anything else with a price. As you can see here, they've got plenty of different staking opportunities here. You can mint and burn, you can earn here, you can even loan and actually borrow cryptocurrency. That's really cool to see. On the staking side of things, you know, if we click on the earn, I think this is where we are right now. It does give you a live auto compounded update of exactly what's happening, and all you need to do is connect the wallet over here, and you can see your yield in real time succession. So really good project. I love this project, guys. This is one that I've been involved in for a very long time. And synthetics right here, we can see over the year we're down from $23, and we are just in a constant downtrend at the moment. So like, you know, Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Make sure to get yourself into that learn to trade Telegram channel. As you can see, look at some pro trading news as well as trade alerts and technical analysis and advice and education as well. So this is into that Telegram channel. Learn to trade, guys. Really great quality content inside this one. So yep, check out all the links down below. For that next impulse, subscribe to the channel. You can use this content if you like the anti-hype, anti-sensationalism price targets video. Then I'll give the video a thumbs up, leave $subscribe. See you soon. Pragmatic targets for this particular project. We do have a lot of resistance, however, around this $5 level where we're at the moment, and also the $7.40 levels can be quite a challenging area. It does look like we are putting through some higher lows and some higher highs at the same time, so really very nice consolidation along this key area of support, potentially producing a bull pennant or a bull flag ready for a nice explosive pump to the upside. But do also be aware that we can lose the support here and still come down to, you know, seeing these previous support levels such as $4.80 and maybe even all the way down to $3.03, depending on what the market does decide to do. It's time to look at the last project on the best 2022 DeFi project. So let's have a look. It's SushiSwap, and you're probably wondering why SushiSwap. Well, SushiSwap does offer really adequate scope for adoption with additional rewards and better scope for liquidity mining, as well as, you know, lending and margin trading as well. We've got a great automated market maker, really strong decentralized exchange, great farming and liquidity pairs as well. So yeah, even though you don't have that proof of trust that Uniswap does provide, we do have a lower market cap. We do still have a really great working product. And of course, we are in a strong downtrend at the moment. As you can see, we're following the support on this trend line. We did break that support, but I am taking into consideration that we do have a lot of anomalous factors in the market at the moment, such as the geopolitical crisis with Russia, Ukraine, really having a big effect on the market. And we can see here, we're trying to retest this, you know, resistance now, maybe getting a double bottom reversal pattern right here, and we might actually see Sushi break back through that $3.50 quite soon. This is the Sushi website. As you can see, swap, earn, stack yields, lend, borrow, leverage, all on one decentralized exchange, community driven platform. It's an absolute DeFi playground, and everything you could ask for is simply on it. We can see Sushi's $3.50, $1.9 billion total liquidity at the moment, and there's 2,700 total pairs. You've got multi-chain AMM, so there's interoperability. You can use multiple networks as well. We've got lending and leverage services, and we have staking too. We can go over here, we can see we've got a lovely DApp. We've got a great little exchange right here, decentralized exchange across the ERC20 network once again. And also you've got BNB. So we're operating right now on the Binance Smart Chain. As you can see, I can actually swap into any other currencies that I'd like to potentially actually swap in for. Another thing to look at is the total value locked is 1.9 million right here. And we've got lots of different trading pairs. As you can see, we were just talking about it being thousands of trading pairs. We've got all of these liquidity pairs right here, and you know, you can actually get LP tokens in these particular farms should you wish to actually participate, provide liquidity, and benefit from the yield here. When we look at the price of Sushi, we're only $3.52, and looking back at the all-time high, we were all the way, where were we? We were up to $22, guys. So we're really low. Good time to dollar cost average, not financial advice of course, and potentially buy in for more of these great projects during this bear phase of this long-term bull market. So what do you think about Sushi Swap? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to know your thoughts about all of the other projects that we've looked at today. If you are new here, guys, make sure you do jump in that Discord down below. Check out the links as well to where you can best buy these projects too.